Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making a simple maple balsamic glazed pork chops recipe. So let's get started. So to start, I'm going to season the pork chops with salt, black pepper, and a bit of garlic powder. I'm just going to flip to the other side and season that side as well. And now it's time to sear the pork chops, and here I have some vegetable oil in the pan, and I'm just going to sear the pork chops for 6 minutes on each side. Do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. So once you're done searing the pork chops, go ahead and remove it from the pan and then set it aside. And now it's time to work on the glaze. So here I'm adding maple syrup, balsamic vinegar, honey mustard, and I'm just going to add the pork chops back to the pan. Then I'll be adding some garlic cloves, thyme, and rosemary. And I'm going to place this in a 400-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until it's fully cooked. So after 40 minutes, it looks like this, and here you have it, maple balsamic glazed pork chops. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. See you next time. Take care.